Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Trust you guys are sound and healthy. Let's prepare this yummy delicacy you are seeing here. Okay, so here I have my ripe plantain. Okay, 2 large tomatoes, 4 large eggs, 1 onion, salt, pepper flakes, no cube. I'll be using just one from it. Okay, and there are other ingredients that I used that I didn't show here. Okay, like ginger and garlic, spinach. I was rushing to prepare the meal and to go and pick my son from school. Okay, you know, to film is not easy. So I was rushing to film it and then go and pick my son from school. So here I've boiled the plantain. It's already cooked. Okay, then in a frying pan I added the olive oil. I will then go ahead to add onion, then ginger and garlic. I will saute it for some minutes and then go ahead to add the chopped onion. Of course, I prepared those things off camera. Okay, no need of showing those parts so that the video won't take long. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you all here. To my returning OG subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, like, comment and share. I so much appreciate you guys and may God bless you. Okay, now this is the first time of watching my video or coming across my channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything. Okay, subscribe and then click on the notification bell so you'll be among the first people that sees when I post a new video. Okay, I invite a friend to invite a friend to invite a friend. You guys will love it here. Yeah, you absolutely love it here, trust me. So I will cover it now and let it fry for some minutes. Okay, I'll go ahead to add the curry to spice it up, pepper flakes, and then just 1 nut cube for seasoning. Okay, I will stir well to combine. I then added some crayfish. Okay, I love crayfish in my food. And then salt to taste. I will stir again to combine. Then I go ahead to check if everything I've added agreed to coordinate together. Okay, and yeah, it tastes yummy. They really agreed and coordinated together. And I cover it to do for some while, and then I added the eggs. Sorry guys, I don't know how the clip got missing. I've searched and I didn't see it. Okay, but just know that I added the eggs and I covered it to cook for some while. Okay, now I'm stirring it just like this. I covered it to cook for another 1 minute and then go ahead to add spinach. Okay, this is spinach. So guys, tell me, do you like adding vegetable in your egg sauce, or you just leave it that way? You like leaving it that way without adding a vegetable? I like adding vegetable to mine. Yeah, okay, to make it more rich and healthy. Don't mind me please. Okay, of course I'm in charge of your kitchen and just make it the way you love. Okay, so after stirring it well, I cover to cook for some few seconds. Okay, and ta-da! Our egg sauce is all ready, looking so yummy. And guys, the aroma of my kitchen have changed seriously. And so tell me, do you like the vegetable I added to it? Will you be adding vegetable to your egg sauce? Or do you like adding vegetable to your egg sauce? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, so my egg sauce is all ready, and yeah, this is the outcome. Do you love it? And we'll be trying it out. Thank you for watching till this moment, and see you in my next video. Ciao, bye.